In part 1, I did a more detailed tutorial on step-by-step for color and shape correction. Here are another 2 case studies where I've been able to actually post some healed results for you to see. This particular client has had numerous procedures done before, leaving red, blue, and camouflage pigment behind in the skin. There are numerous ways to treat this. We decided on a shortcut route because time was such a big concern to her. Step 1 was doing a new shape for the client. She had a lot of asymmetry. One brow was considerably higher than the other. So the new shape, there's still a little bit of asymmetry left, but miles better than what it was. For my shortcut, I simply added my blue brow color corrector in with my brown MB and implanted that. I would say it was about 70% brown MB and 30% brow corrector to cover everything. The red tones would very easily be disguised. The camouflaging pigment, there's only so much that I can do about it, but it will obviously be disguised by the darker pigment. The blue is always the hardest to correct, and that is why I went with the blue brow color corrector, adding that into my pigment cup and implanting that directly into the skin. So here in this picture, you can see the before, the new shape immediately after, and the healed. You can see that the healed picture is nice and consistent, a softer color, and has neutralized all those other tones that were on the brow as well. Here is another case study. This client had old blue brows done many years ago. Here I also think the pigment was implanted too deep, which is why it had discolored as much as it did. Anyway, so we were able to just go in with a color corrector, blue brow corrector, didn't change any shape as per her request, just covered the old blue brow, and here is the healed result as well. Just a quick tip on doing a brow corrector. When you're using the corrector, it's a very orange-yellow color, so that is not a very pleasant look on a client's face. It's not very natural. But if you use a medium brown toner and sealer immediately after, that completely neutralizes any warm tones, and your client immediately looks like she's got a neutral brow, and that carries through throughout the healing period. So that eliminates that awkward few days of having your brow corrected. Cool, I hope that this has helped you. If it has, please click on the subscribe button. And also, Premier Beauty Academy instructors have years of experience and knowledge. If you need help, simply contact us for support.